Good morning, guys. It's Saturday and my mom is coming into town today to see the place for the first time. And there are a few things I need to do before she gets here and before I pick her up from the airport. So let's get started. Now that I'm done with breakfast, let's set up their bed. I think that's good enough for government work. Let's let Button out. Sit. Okay. So my mom just landed, so me and Button are gonna go pick her up. Button's all ready and dressed nice, so here we go. They're here.
How come there's no button?
How come there's no button? Button's right here. Go say hi, buddy. Here, I'll hold it. How was the flight?
Good. It was early, so that's
You were really early.
Yes.
Gotta say hi to everybody, huh?
I know.
So that's where you're gonna be sleeping.
Okay.
Hey, stay. Stay, Button. Hey, Button, come here. So I didn't. Downstairs has nothing. Yeah. Yeah, I got one of my neighbors had a bigger crate, so I got him a bigger crate.
Yeah.
You excited, buddy? So we just got back from Home Depot, and my mom and my stepdad are building Button a little potty place to go and to use the restroom in the patio, pretty much. So that's what they're gonna do, and I'm gonna go upstairs and do my homework. But let me show you what they're doing first. Oh, really?
Yep.
There it is. Button, you're gonna have a potty place.
Private one, custom built.
Custom built potty place. So my mom went to Home Depot again to get some more pieces of wood for Button's new potty area, and we started the self-cleaning on this stove, on the oven, and the house smells so bad right now. So all the windows are open. It's not really doing much to help. I feel like I'm taking in like a dozen cigarettes right now because I can't stop coughing and stuff. And my nose is just super congested and all. And I'm a dum-dum, and I didn't know that I was supposed to take the racks out of the oven before starting the self-clean. So that's gonna be ruined. But it's still going to be usable, luckily, but it's just not going to look very pretty. But let me show you the progress that they've made. So this is the bottom of the potty area. It looks like they will need more wood to cover the white part. But I'd say it looks pretty good so far. So we'll see what it turns out to be soon. I think they said they want to finish it tonight, but we'll see if that happens. And if not, we'll see it tomorrow. So I'm gonna end the vlog there because it's getting pretty late and I still have some homework to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Button. Hey, relax, bud. Oh, okay, bye.